So guys, the engine was definitely not happy, but I watched the tutorial, thank God for YouTube, and you see that yellow thing, you can turn on it and it regulates stuff inside of these four things. And now starts great, RPM is good, and I think it's better, so let's test it. Bye. Engine is really not happy, so got to do something about that before really testing this thing out. god. Good. Did we have damage? It was really a rough ride. Oh my god. God damn. Yeah, really hard to control this thing. Oh my god. Gonna put it back inside. So guys, the engine is not running fine. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna see what it does. So let's open this thing. Yippee! Oh, this is beautiful. Oh damn, not great. Not great. Ah. Okay, this thing is uncontrollable but fun. And these bumps are killing me. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Did I do something wrong? What is the problem? So guys, I'm stranded. Very nice. The problem is this thing right here, it doesn't turn over. This is my fuel pump. So yeah, I don't know if it's electric. A fuse that blown, don't really see it, and my hands are too weak to pull it out, so god damn it. But look at this thing, beautiful. But this is really rough terrain. It was like here, this little stupid thing, it's not big at all, but boonk, and the engine shut it down. So yeah, not nice. This is really like not the ideal terrain for this vehicle. I think it's like more with put some racing slicks on it and go on a nice flat concrete surface. And also it is really hard to control. Like the wheelbase is so small, but quite fun. Don't know if you can see my straight lines. Look at my straight racing lines. They're like whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. But here it's okay, but when you go like this, it's like more of these unaccepted parts and you go just boom over it. Not fun. You are really thrown around in this thing. So yeah, a little bit stranded, but all the good buddy of mine will come with this car and we will figure this thing out. So yeah, and there's a fly in my helmet, so goodbye. Subscribe and like this video. Yeah. Great. This is like last survival. I'm the only one on this world. My car broke down. Don't know what to do. Still waiting for my body to arrive. It is day 3 by now and getting quite hungry. It is peaceful here, but alle even strik rijden. Dus hier je handrem, door moet je jakken, anders ga je even tussen steken. Handrem en voorrem. En meestal...
Voorrem?
Ja, het kan niet gebeuren, dat is
moet ik erbij steken.
Hier dat we met je voet op de band net doen in het zekertje.
Ja, dat trapje hangt er niet meer aan, ja, je kan erbij.
Ja, man. Maar je zult dat trapje niet meer met een dekzak.
Oh my god.
Die maar ook mooi dan.
Dat is zo van nog iets weg.
Ja, maar als je echt trappen gaat, is het zo. Ja, je moet veel te hard doen. Ik ga eerst een beetje hangsteken, ik ga Notto naar voren laten brengen. Wringt je mee dat ik wringt je jas een beetje mee dat je nas op spanning had. Anders zou je heel goed.
Ah,
Goed? Oké, ja.
help me guys, I'm scared. Ah!
So guys, we broke up. So guys, as you saw, we broke down with this thing, but I think it's just the fuel pump that isn't working anymore. So yeah, the engine cranks over, but the fuel pump isn't taking anymore. And also with the chain setup I found a little problem, but it is easy to fix. As you saw in the video, the engine wasn't happy at all. I just couldn't rev up to the high numbers, and yeah, the full potential of this engine was not there. So I really have to look into that. So doing my research, and before the other test drive, I want to make the engine very happy. Next video will pop out in 2 weeks, but I don't know because I have a lot of little things to do that are more on a time schedule than preparing this. So yeah, we will see. Gonna end this video now and hope you like it.